Happy anniversary, gals and guys. Yes, officially last year, 2020, October 1st. That's the official date I put a stamp on for the starting of my Media Helper YouTube channel. And it's been a year. So we're celebrating for a year. We're going to have a little facelift with new graphics and stuff of that nature because it's always good to get on fresh. And I actually have a tutorial. This is going to be a tutorial video. So it's kind of a combination of happy anniversary to the channel and a happy anniversary to myself and happy anniversary for you and subscribers. I know there's not a lot of them, but thank you for your support. Whomever you are out there, thank you. And then, so what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to just kind of share with you kind of a lineup that I'm going to start. And this is not going to be week to week. This is going to be when I have time. I have to put things in reality and perspective that I do have a full-time job. And although I'm not currently seeing anyone, who knows? It goes north and west and south and was the other direction, east, all the time to what's going on in that situation. But hopefully everything will smooth out and I'll have more time to devote to this stuff when I'm not working. So this is kind of a schedule that I'm going to come up with, or a tentative schedule. Sundays, I'm just going to do some entertainment stuff just because I'm into that stuff and I want to get more into that. And I'm going to do some reviews on Monday. So I'm going to do some fun stuff Sunday and Monday. I'm going to get back to my tutorials. So what I'm going to do for the rest of this year and next year is do a lot of Microsoft stuff and mainly SharePoint. So I am going to be taking one of my old websites, a comic book website, and I'm going to be incorporating it into the SharePoint platform. So we're going to go step by step on how to do all that. My quick tip videos are going to be on Wednesday. This is actually kind of a quick tip video right now. And all this doesn't start until this coming Sunday. And then Thursday, there's a fan film podcast. I've been posting old episodes of that on here the past few months, through the summer. And I've been talking to my last co-host about bringing that back and having guests again and talking about films. So for now, I'm just going to be posting new episodes every Thursday, not new episodes, old episodes every Thursday. And then tentatively with bringing back the podcast this winter. And then Friday's going to kind of be potluck, analytics. I put comedy sketches. I'm actually going to do some cooking. I know it's a variety of stuff, but it's all stuff I'm interested in and a lot of tutorial stuff. And I think stuff people be interested in. And then Saturday, I'm going to do, so I do a lot of vlogs. I go to a lot of places and I like to visit small towns and I like to go someplace. I like to get the hell away from this computer and just walk someplace. So I'm going to do either, I'm going to share old videos that I have. So I have a couple Star Trek conventions way back, like 20, 30 years ago that I'm going to post, stuff like that, or some towns I go to, or whatever's happening. It's kind of like video essays. So that's tentatively my schedule. And again, I'm not going to do a video every day of the week. It's going to be impossible, but I'm going to put videos of that nature in those days. Okay, so what I want to teach you this time out is how to download. I have a trick that I discovered because I wanted it for necessity for this video, and I'm going to show you in just a second, is how do you download all your YouTube art. And so you have that. So I am going to show you how to do that, but I want you to watch this first. It's a little lengthy. It's got you'll see what it is, and then if you watch it all, then things will be all apparent to when I meet you afterwards. So watch this. I'll be right back. watched the whole video or you scrubbed through the video or whatever, you probably saw a lot of the thumbnails that I used that are exactly right here on my YouTube channel. So I did a search to see how to download your entire thumbnail catalog from your YouTube channel, and I really didn't find a solution for it. So this is what I discovered. I bought a program and I did a couple of videos on it actually this past summer, and it's called Free YouTube Download. So let's double click on that. And I forget how much I purchased it for. It wasn't very much. If it was $20, I'd be surprised. I think it was less than that. And basically what the concept of the program is it just downloads your YouTube video, or it can download a whole channel if you want. And I'll put the links to those videos below. But what I did as far as to get the cover art, I brought this up and I just got to remember how I did it. Okay. I went to Tools, went to Options. All right. This is what I put in. This is just for updates of the program, so you don't really have to do much right there. So I made a new folder for this. So let's start from scratch just for poops and giggles. So I'm just going to do a new folder. I'm just going to put poops and giggles. And then, yeah, the jokes don't get any better just because they're a year old. They get a lot worse probably this year. So I'm going to go here and just click on this. It says Save Video Thumbnails. Okay. And you don't have to do anything with all this crap. Just leave these as default. Okay, and then close that out. Now, what you want to do here is you want to get the lowest. See, you're not looking to get the video or the audio or any of that crap, really. So you're gonna choose from this list the lowest amount of space and the quickest download possible. So I just did this MP3 audiobook, small file. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab a different channel than mine. So just bear with me real quick and let me see if I can actually, let's go here. The other thing I didn't show you is make sure when you do this, make sure you put the new folder in. I put my thumbnails went into year 1. I want these new thumbnails to come into Poops and Giggles. Okay, select folder. All right, perfect. And then I'll paste, oops, let me grab his channel again. Oh, my Lord. Why does everything have to be so difficult for me? Okay, so I'll just paste that in there. And then I'll let it think again. All right, so we're here at the top right there. We're going to get into our Poops and Giggles folder. And we are going to hit download. As you can see, it's 61 gig. We're going to cut it off. The guy's got a lot of content on there. He's a huge channel. But that's all right. This is just for example. So emergency awesome. And now what you're going to see, you just go off and do other things. Go make another video someplace. Go do the dishes. Do something else. All right. So you can see his thumbnails are now downloading with these smaller files. And then you can just go to, one of these is going to be the audio file, and one of them is going to be the actual thumbnail. So you can just, you all know how to do this, right? Just go to details and just put in type. And you just let it go and let it flow. I had a smaller channel. I only have 171 videos on mine, so it's very easy. I'm sure if you can play around with it, you can just do it like a playlist. Um, if you have a playlist on a particular channel you want to download the art from, you can break it down that way. Just do individual. I wanted my whole entire channel, so that's what I did. So, gals and guys, thank you very much for checking this out. If you could like the channel, I would most appreciate it. I'd like to up the count of the subscribers for this year. And I mean, it shouldn't be too difficult. I don't really have a lot now. So, doubling that or tripling that should be fairly simple. I don't know. But thank you as always. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell there for updates. And I will catch you next time.